the buttons?
Show Marty.
Are there a lot of buttons?
Oh.
Go see. No, go see. Show me the buttons. Yeah. What do you see? Which one do you like, Tess? Uh-huh.
She loves those big orange ones.
What are they? Gentle. Gentle, don't pull. Gentle. No. There we go. Okay.
You're such a pretty little girl. You like it here, huh?
She loves the buttons.
Are you getting shy?